Good afternoon to everyone. In today's class, we just see some numericals related to voltage multiplier circuit. When you go through this problem, they mention a voltage multiplier circuit which is having 8 stages, that is given value n equals to 8, and then they mention the capacitance values as 0.05 microfarads. Okay, micro 10 power. So 0.05 into 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 6, and they mention supply transformer secondary as 125 kV. If you recall your circuit diagram, you just consider the transformer. There after that we consider the capacitance and diodes like this. So there we are assuming the secondary voltage, whatever the secondary voltage, as Vmax, as Vmax. Further, whatever the Vmax value is there, they mention it as 125 kV. And coming to your frequency, 150 kilohertz. They mention 150 kilohertz. Okay. And load current as 5 milliamperes. 5 milliamperes. Okay. So they are asking to calculate your percentage ripple, regulation, and optimum number of stages. Already in the class we saw the derivations, okay, what are the formulas. So now we go with this percentile ripple. So percentile ripple means ripple voltage divided by total voltage. Okay, so total voltage will depends upon the total number of stages. For each stage it will be 2 Vmax. For n stages it is 2n Vmax. We got the total voltage directly. Whereas coming for this ripple voltage, it depends upon the formula I divided by Fc n into n plus 2. So try to substitute all the values. Okay. So I value is 5 milliamperes, 150 kilohertz, okay, 10 power 3. And this value. So when you go this upper side, total you got 24 kV. So this is your ripple voltage. Whereas total voltage it is 2 into number of stages 8, Vmax is 125 kV. Please don't place kV value separate, keep it as separate value. So when coming to percentile ripple voltage value is 24 kV divided by 2 into 8 into 125 kV. Here also you are having kV. So both will be cancelled over into 100. So when you do this value, you got around 1.2 percentage. So the ripple value is 1.2 percentage. Similar fashion, the second they ask for regulation. Okay, they asked for regulation. Okay, for the regulation we supposed to calculate what is the voltage drop first. Okay, for that we have the formula voltage drop delta V. Okay, delta V equals to I divided by Fc into 2 by 3 n cube plus n square divided by 2 minus n6. So try to substitute all the formulas, all the values in the formula. Ten power 3, 0.05 into 10 power 6, 8 cube plus 8 square divided by 2 minus 8 divided by 6. Okay, so try to calculate this value. When you calculate this value, you got it as around 248 kV. If you calculate all these values, you got it as 2.248 kV. That is voltage drop. This is the voltage drop. Okay. To calculate the regulation, voltage drop divided by total voltage. Already I know the total value, total voltage, okay, from the previous. So I'm again substituting the same thing. I'm not calculating kV to okay, it will be around 12.4%. So it will be around 1 to 4 and if you multiply this one around 2, okay, it will be around 12.4%. This is for regulation. Okay, this is for regulation and this is for ripple. Now the last one is optimum number of stages for minimum number of voltage drop. Okay, for minimum number of voltage drop they are asking. Okay, further the optimum, okay, the optimum number of stages can be given as Vmax into Fc divided by I. Fc divided by I. So already I know that 125 kV and 150 kilohertz and capacitance value 0.05 10 power minus 6 and the current is 5 milliamperes. So after doing all the things, it will be around 13.9. Okay, we never have the stages in fractions, so we can round off for larger value. That means 14 stages. Okay, in the next problem, we are going for the same problem but different numerical values here. Okay, so when I go through this problem, they mention number of stages as n equals to 10 and capacitance value is 0.06 microfarads and Vmax value secondary voltage as 100 kV and frequency as 150 Hz and load current as 1 milliampere. Again they mention the same questions, a part of that maximum output voltage. So I just taken those values and I given this formulas. So already we used the same formulas in our previous problem also. So voltage regulation is equals to voltage drop divided by total voltage, where the total voltage will be 2n Vmax, and we're coming to the your percentile ripple voltage divided by total voltage, which ripple voltage we given as I by Fc into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, when coming to the number of optimum stages, it will be square root of Vmax into Fc by I. Last one, what is the maximum output voltage? Here output voltage will be 2n Vmax, that is correct. But if you got the optimum stages, depending upon the optimum stages, we can calculate the maximum output value. So for the maximum output value, for maximum output voltage, it will be optimum stages multiplied by 4 by 3 Vmax. So this is only the new value. Okay, this is only the new value. Try to substitute all the values and calculate the corresponding values. Okay, so by this I completed the voltage generation of DC voltages.